Hi, it's Bubba from Expert Supply. Today in the video we're going to be replacing the dry belt on this top load washer. It's a really easy repair. Anybody can do it. Just make sure before you start any repair you unplug the electricity and turn the water off. To gain access to the belt, you're going to have to tip the machine back. If you don't actually have a wall to do so, you can just use something like a wooden box to gain access to the belt location. I'm going to show you today how to do it. Just be careful, it's a bit heavy. To gain access to the belt, you're just going to want to remove this cover. You can take this 3/8 ratchet and just remove these few bolts. Removing the belt is obviously pretty simple. Just turn it counterclockwise and the belt will pop right off. If you need to order, you can order it on expertsupply.com. We have plenty in stock and they're really easy to get shipped quickly. So putting the belt back on, you're going to want to put it around the motor and do the complete opposite in a clockwise motion. Careful watching your fingers while doing it. Just go ahead and turn the drum slightly and the belt will pop on without too much effort. Once the belt's back on in the proper position, we can go ahead and reinstall the cover and then go ahead and test the washer. Now that we've successfully installed the belt, you can go ahead and lift the washer up, plug it in, turn the water on, and run a full cycle. Make sure there's no leaks, and make sure the belt stays on. And if you need any parts, please visit expertsupply.com or give us a call. We'd love to help out.